Welcome to GOP Auto. Today we're diving into a game changer, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz motorhome. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a luxury hotel on the move, packed with cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and a powerhouse under the hood. Let's start with the design. Mercedes-Benz has blended aerodynamics with elegance, featuring a sleek, futuristic body with LED matrix headlights, a panoramic windshield, and a bold front grille. The streamlined shape reduces wind resistance, improving both fuel efficiency and handling. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech luxury interior. The cabin features fine leather upholstery, real wood accents, and ambient lighting customizable to your mood. The spacious layout includes a full living area, a modern kitchen with top-tier appliances, and a smart bathroom with a rainfall shower. The bedroom offers a memory foam queen bed, automated climate control, and even a skylight for stargazing. On the tech side, the Mercedes-Benz motorhome is equipped with a fully digital cockpit. A massive touchscreen integrates navigation, entertainment, and smart home controls, allowing you to adjust lighting, temperature, and security with a tap. Voice commands and AI-driven automation make life on the road effortless. Performance-wise, it's powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel V6, pushing out 250 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The all-wheel drive system ensures stability on any terrain, while the adaptive air suspension delivers a smooth ride, whether you're cruising the highway or exploring rugged landscapes. Safety is top tier, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this beast a breeze. The autonomous parking feature even allows it to park itself at the push of a button. Mercedes has also focused on sustainability. The motorhome includes a solar panel system, energy-efficient appliances, and a water filtration unit, making off-grid adventures easier than ever. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz motorhome worth it? If you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and capability for your road trips, this might just be the ultimate travel companion. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth auto reviews. See you next time on GOP Auto.